po ay pinangungunahan ng ating first player na sina Brian C. Comia and Regine A. Nugis. Palakpakan naman po. Our next mga kaibigan ay walang iba kundi si Mark Aaron B. Panganiban with his partner Francis Joy B. Manguera. Palakpakan naman dyan. Our third pair mga kaibigan, John Carlos Blas together with his partner Francine A. Martinez. Palakpakan naman. Our fourth pair, JJ P. Guevara with his partner Francesca D. Manguera. Palakpakan naman. And our fifth player, Anton C. Comia with his partner Jermaine C. Sanchez. And our sixth player, Dave Angelo B. Comia with his partner Mary Jane B. Comia. And our last, and our seventh pair, Herbert Paulo F. Comia with his partner, Maria Camille B. Comia. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. And now mga kaibigan, let us all welcome our birthday celebrant, Josh Vincent F. Comia, kasama ang kanyang partner, Alvy Jane